Alrighty, she has turned the heat mode on. As you see, the fan has shut off. Now it's going into defrost mode. Now it's going to warm the evaporator coils. So if any of you guys are witnessing this on heat pump, that's what it is. The fan has shut off. It's in defrost mode. So now it's taking the hot air from inside the house and bringing it outside to warm up the condenser coils. And these condenser coils will melt, and you'll see in a minute. It'll kick back onto normal. And you can already see the coils are starting to melt.